gigantic boxes. My God, guys, check this out. This is the one I needed. Red though, Parnelli Jones. Oh yeah. You ready to get this bad boy going? All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and open up these boxes first. We're actually going to move all this stuff. Welcome to part 2 of the epic mail call. This was just so overwhelming, it was ridiculous. And this is starting the package from my buddy Dane, who I've actually done a trade with in the past, and I'm working on getting his package ready to go so I can send him some goodies like he sent me. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes first. What is actually in this? You guys ready? Man, what is this? Oh, no way. Oh, he sent some old stuff, guys. Look at this. 2004 first edition Cadillac V16. Look at that bad boy. Look how massive that thing is. Wow, that is really cool. It's collector number 57 out of 2004 release. Look at that paint job. Big old 4-door car right there. That is a cool piece. Oh man, all right, let's make some room. Look at this. I had this truck when I was young. Not this color, I had it in purple, but look at this mini truck. God, I remember having all the speakers and amps in the back, the engine sticking out. Oh man, this is so cool to see again. Look at that. Got the Ultra Hot Wheels, and it's collector number 231. God, this is an old blue card. Look at that, guys. Definitely old. Hey, look, it's the shark. My buddy Mike would love the shark. Got the Hummer, the tank. Tank's pretty cool. The shark. Oh, that mini truck, man. I loved having that thing. Try not to damage this stuff. Ooh, look at that. That is unique. And it's funny because I seen this in yellow. I think it was on Marketplace. All yellow instead of black. Look at this. The Gulch Stepper. Collector number 251. Dang, this is really cool. Really old. Oh, it's Kmart. Check that out. It's a Kmart sticker. God, you got the old saw blade wheels. Massive lift on this thing. God, it's almost like a Mustang. Looks like the old Fox body front ends, like the 78s, and then like the Suzuki or Geo Metro little truck they used to have. Like those two had a kid, and that's what this came out. This is really cool though. It's so heavy. God, that is neat. Man, look at this. You got the 2000 first editions Holden in metallic silver. Look at this. God, this is one car I don't remember when I was young. I don't remember ever seeing this one. But man, that is nice. Look at that livery on there. Got the red wing, chrome 5 spokes. Number 21 of 36 cars. God, that is neat. God, that's awesome. You guys know I love old blue cards like that. And that's a really good box. I'm guessing this is the top because I think I opened that one upside down. Oh, no way! Hey, the Simpsons! The Homer out of the Hot Wheels City. Oh man, I grew up, loved watching this cartoon, man. I just restarted watching it since it's on, I think it's Disney Plus. Look at that. That is so cool. What year release is this? 2013, 2014 time frame? Never saw this on pegs, even when I casually walked through. That is so cool. I absolutely love this one. It's fun. It's my childhood. Everyone grew up with the Simpsons, hopefully. If you didn't, you need to go start watching it now. Oh, and he sent the Homer car. Yes, I've seen people post about this and I'm like, oh man, I'd love to get my hands on it. Never seen it in the collector store, never in the antique mall. Look at that. The Simpsons family car with the classic fender dent right there. Oh, dude, that is so cool. Those are my favorite fun pieces right here. These are not going anywhere. I'm actually going to put these in a protective case just because it's the Simpsons, man. Like, I grew up with this. This was like a lot of my childhood, was this and the Ninja Turtles. I see Ford Mustang convertible. There it is. All right, so this is the one I remember him saying that he was gonna send. I have not seen this color. It is a beautiful pearlescent goldish orange. Look at that. This is a nice color variation for this casting. That is nice. When he sent me a picture of this, I was like, whoa, I've never seen that. This must be new, or I must have missed it. But this is a very nice color. Check that out. All right, that is what I was tracking. I wasn't tracking any of this other stuff. Okay, yeah, I remember telling him I really liked this one. Check it out. The Fiat 500 out of the Hot Wheels Daredevils. Look at that. It's a cool little car. Definitely thought it was really sweet. I was like, ooh, those are cool. God, I regret passing up 2 variations last year of this. Oh, great. Now I'm going to go down that rabbit hole trying to find those. Those 2 boxes are freaking awesome. Look at that, guys. That is just cool. If you don't appreciate old blue cards like that, I don't know, man, but I absolutely love stuff like that. I love the fun Simpsons cards. Look at that. Now this, I'm very curious on what is in this bundle of joy. Let's see what's in this one. All right, we got another 2020 GT500 out of the Muscle Mania. This is going to be a custom since I do have 2 of those. So that's going to be a custom. Or GT40, which I already have. But like I said, guys, there's always room for more. We have the, oh yeah, the hot seat. Look at that. God, Hot Wheels used to make some crazy stuff. This is a 98 first edition. God, these are in really good shape. Oh man, look at that. Got the Night Shifter with the Hot Wheels Race Team livery. Now that is nice. I had the Chase ID version of this at one time. Hot Wheels Race Team, instant win. Thank you so much, man. So far is just an amazing package to finish out this 3-box unbox. All right, I see collector numbers on here. Only means one thing. Got some oldies. Ooh, the Chrysler Thunderbolt. Check that out. That is unique for sure. You got the old chrome 5-dot wheels. I like that purple canopy. That is nice. Wonder what happens to cars like this. Like Chrysler's like, hey guys, we're gonna make this futuristic car, and they're like, cool. And then they're like, nope. Look at that. I wonder if that canopy comes off. I love stuff like this, man. Like this is just going back in time for the moment, and it's just an awesome feeling. Ooh, Speed Gleamer series. Look at that. The limousine in gold. All gold actually. Got the white interior, the gold metal flake, gold base. You just have the silver 7-spoke wheels. Damn. Number 4 cars. This was a new car for that series. Look at that. You got the 3-window 34, T-Bucket, Ratmobile, and the limousine. Boom, which is this one. All right. Ooh, look at that. What kind of car is this? The Solaire CX-4. Whoa, that is very cool looking. Look at that. It's very fighter jet aircraft looking. Looks like you got the Air Force type of star on there, or military type of star, depending on what era. Yeah, check that out. You got the enemies racked up X list right there. You got the panel, removable panel. Yeah, this is definitely fighter inspired. Oh yeah, of course, Flying Aces. Duh. Is really cool. You guys were probably like, come on, it says it right there, Flying Aces. Back actually opens up. It's got the hinge right there. Man, that is really cool. All right, what else do we got? All right, cool. We got another Joey Logano. You guys saw I picked up another one for a custom, but it does not hurt to have another. And then what is this? Ooh. You got the 2004 first edition Cruise Bedtime. Look at that. That is a very stretched out truck right there. God, you got that huge motor in the back. Look at those long tube headers that just funnel into center exhaust right there. Check that out. And those flares. This is a cool one. All right, guys, you experts out there gotta let me know, which truck is this based off of? Is it a Chevy, a Ford, maybe a Dodge? I don't know, but this is a really cool piece. It is number 52 out of 2004's release. Definitely like that. That is cool. God, I love these stuff, man. And here we go. Last but definitely not least, we have the Surf and Turf, which is awesome because I have the Zamac and now I can finally have another variation. Look at that. I was actually going to start trying to collect all of these. There's a lot of them, but we can start off with this really nice mint green. It's a nice casting. I definitely do like it. It's really cool. I love the tuned cars, depending on which one it is, but look at that. Dane, thank you so much for this. This was an awesome way to wrap up the 3-box mega box unboxing, whatever you want to call it. That was a ultra mega freaking unboxing right there. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this 2-part. I know it was a lot. There was a lot of casts. I mean, check this out. And you guys already know I have absolutely no more room for anything. So what that means is I got to take this flag off. I'm gonna put pegboard to fill in this area, organize all that. But once I open up this wall and add more pegboard, it's gonna fill up looking like this. This is gonna be legit an actual store I'm having in my own backyard, which is insane. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these was your favorite, which one of these brought you back in time like that truck did. And yeah, that is all I got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.